Wow! And today we're gonna make rainbow science experiments. Let's get started! It's showtime! Now we're gonna make a fizzing rainbow. The science behind this is a chemical reaction. So what we need is 3 empty cups. Any food coloring you want. How many cups you have, that's how much food coloring you need. And if you need a scooper, I just need a scooper. And I got some vinegar, baking soda. And now let's get started. First thing we need to pour is baking soda. Okay, I just leveled it up. So I'm gonna put my food coloring in here, and I'm just gonna mix this. You don't need to mix it if you don't want to. Wish me luck on my hands don't get dirty again. Just gonna make it pink because red and white makes pink, so it's gonna make pink. This one's gonna make light yellow. That's enough. Okay, now I'm gonna mix it. That's enough. Yellow. That's enough. And blue. Okay, now this is gonna make it really, really messy. So I'm gonna put my goggles on. Oh! Oh! That was so cool! Honestly, I want to mix them all together. Oh, this is gonna be good. More blue, more yellow, and more red. Okay, I'm gonna put this red here. Like blood. Okay. Blue and okay. I got the feeling of it. Whoa! Whoa!